All right, guys, Coach Tom here from Neo Motion. We're going to be working on a new skill today. That will be the back sweep. Let's have Coach Dallas to demonstrate a few of them for us. So let's get right into it. You're going to be starting this skill, squatting down nice and low. He'll extend one of his legs out straight. If you have worked on the front sweep, this position is very similar. When we front sweep, we actually will be using the laces of our foot to hit our target. Could you demonstrate one? Thank you very much. Now with the back sweep, like the hook kick, we're actually going to be moving to the opposite direction. So he'll be using the heel side of his leg to trail the sweep, still finishing standing up. Notice when he does it, he uses his hands to help keep him balanced, and he keeps his weight on that single foot that's planted. So once you guys have finished working on that from the squatting position, you want to take it to the final step where we actually start standing. So Coach Dallas will start, I will be his target, he will sweep at me. When he finishes, he pushes through his hands to get his chest back up nice and tall, finishing back in his guard. And one from this angle. Nice. Notice how his sweep is coming at me, and as he finishes, he uses those hands to stand right back up to face his target. And that is the back sweep.